Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction, ang video, ang latest videos or clips from Kyle Drea. It's been a while. Alam ko guys, ang tagal kong hindi nakagawa ng Kyle Drea compilation. But without further ado, let's all watch this. Alam mo, gumagawa na naman ako ng reaction video ng High Street and Pamilya Sagrado. Ang galing nila. Pero bakit pinaghiwalay sila kaya sa High Street? Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya si JK ang naging partner doon ni Andrea Brillantes? Yan din yung tanong ko eh. Sino yun? Si girl, si Boomer? Yung girl sa High Street din, yung maganda na Englishera, yung kapartner ni Kyle sa Pamilya Sagrado. Bakit kaya sila yung pinartner doon? Parang hindi ko lang maintindihan. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. The Kyle Drea. Bago to eh, oh.
I look around and think where's life? Because this is your set. This is...
What? Wait, I don't get it.
When I smell this, I look around and think where's life? Because this is your set. This is Diarrhea Lady. Those who are asking...
Perfume?
Which is my favorite scent.
Favorite scent niya.
I always tell this. Ito yung, kahit nung senior high pa, pag naglalakad yan, lights on set. Yun yung
Ah, talaga?
Parang ang scent nag-create siya ng memories.
Ay,
Nag-create siya ng memories na maalala mo sa isang tao, maalala mo sa lugar, maalala mo
ay talaga? So pala sila, scent.
time, at minsan, maalala mo talaga yung mismong taong yun sa scent na to.
Ay, meron talagang ganun actually. Ay, I love this. I love the video. Ay, ang ganda ng kanta. Ang ganda ng kanta, ah. Okay, what's next? Ay, saan to? Ah, nag-endorse sila. Uy, ano ba to? Endorsement ba to? Ang ganda ni Andrea. Endorsement ba to? Anyways, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, ang sexy niya. Sarap, charisa. Ay, may abs. Batanes? Or Bukidnon? Sexy ni Kyle? Kaazar? Saan kaya to? Ay, grabe yung natitigan. Look at that. My goodness gracious. Look at the titigan for today's video. Parang alam mo yung, dito ko talaga inaano yung genuine, ang treatment ng couple or ng partner na ginagawa ko ng reaction video. The way they look at each other. I can say that this is the looks of looking through the eyes of love. Chika lang, may mga ganung issue talaga ako for today's video. Pero parang ganito talaga yung nakikita ko. Look at the titigan. It's just like matalim ang titigan, pero hindi matalim eh, malalim. Alam mo yon, malalim ang titigan na parang alam mo yung ang daming istoryang mabubuo sa ganitong titigan. Totoo lang. Wow, director na ba? Anyways, balik nga natin. Gusto ko yung titigan nila. I love the titigan. Grabe yung titigan. Oh my God! Ano to? Appealing ko endorsement sa perfume. Grabe si Kyle tumingin kay Andrea sa totoo lang. Grabe talaga siya tumingin. Can't hide it talaga. He can't hide it. Okay, what's next? Ay, grabe din yung curves ni Andrea, no? Oh! Grabe din ang curves. Ay! Ano na naman to? Saan na naman kayo ay, pumunta ka, nag-kiss sila, ti. Ay, sorry. Very gentleman naman.
Parang ito, my best
Ay.
friend surprised me during my 20th birthday with Lucky Beauty products.
Ay.
I was the happiest.
Feeling ko hindi na siya boy best friend.
Pili ko hindi siya po.
Kasi ko wala akong boy best friend na nag-e-effort ang ganyan.
Kaya nga, hindi yung boy best friend. Baka, ano na, state
Ano?
of tension na agad. Kasi
Situa-
kung magulo.
Situationship na.
Feeling ko pwede mong itry to. Maganda to, first love.
Mm-mm.
First love.
Pero kung ako sa'yo, 2 to last the memories talaga. Para mas maalala ka. Lucky potions tayo, guys.
Pero
La-
Ate, basta check mo lang ulit
Oo.
Dapat
Tama naman.
i-secure mo lang kung boy best friend mo siya.
Oo,
Ay, secure mo lang kung boyfriend mo siya. Bakla.
Mas aware ka, alam mo yun pa.
True.
At din naman sa, nagka-create ako ng tension ng tension. Pero, maybe, he's more than, baka he's trying to be romantic.
Mm. Okay, what's next?
Each moment passed. A chance now lost to time.
Oh my God, this. What is this, Kelly?
Years,
Each other's
words,
great love.
and never revealed.
What is this? Hindi ko to alam.
Unspoken. Trapped within this rhyme.
Oh my God, hindi ko to alam.
I'll yearn and search for you.
Yung ganung upak ko.
My heart
Follow myself.
will lead you.
Oh, ano pala siya? Parang, ay, parang ina ka. Shit, alam mo, grabe. May ano to, may tawag nito. Yan, natanong ko na to sa inyo eh. Ito ba yung first vlog nila na walang dialogue, na walang volume? Ito yung date nila na hindi lang ako sure kung ito yung, pero grabe ang kilig ko dito. Parang first time ko itong nakita na parang masasabi ko talaga na, ay, puta ka. Ay, sorry, nagbaba ako. Sabi ko, ay, shoot, sila na talaga. Something like that. Grabe si Kyle. Shumay. Grabe. Eh, grabe. Ang sweet mo. Ang sweet mo. Oh my God. Ay, Charis. Shumay. Ay, di may volume eh. Mahaba ba itong video na to? Lucky Potion. Yan yung inaano nila ngayon. Sa Lux Beauty. Tama ba? Tama ta. Ganda ng kata. Okay, what's next? This kind of friendship. Andito si Kyle. May boyfriend dito si Andrea during this time. Eh, okay. This kind of friendship, indeed. Alright, there you go guys. It is our for today's video. Our Carl Drea TikTok compilation. This is KJ Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!